everyone, warm welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a seed haul 2023. In today's video, I'm gonna show you what I just got from the mail today from the folks at Truelove Seeds. So I ordered like 4 different types of seeds, okay, which I'm gonna show you. I ordered 4 for this year because I'm keeping it simple this year. I'm not letting that greedy spirit get to me. I tend to overplant and then I spend so much time taking care of these plants, not doing that this year. So I only ordered 4 different types of seeds this year. But guess what? My people from Truelove Seeds, they threw in 3 extra different types of plants. I'm going to show you what they are, but first, let's look at what I got that I paid money for. Okay, and if you want any of these seeds, which I'm going to recommend you do, because Truelove Seeds, they really do grow open pollinated heirloom type of seeds for vegetables, herbs, flowers, you name them. They have like different collections. So I usually shop from the African diaspora collection. Hello, because that's where I am from. I'm an African in the diaspora. So if you're looking for culturally meaningful seeds, check out these people. Okay, so I got peanuts, and this is a unique type of peanut. This particular one is two-toned. It is supposed to take 120 days to maturity. That is 4 months from the time it goes in the ground to when you harvest. Supposed to be 4 months. So I'm going to grow it in March, and hopefully I can harvest it by the end of March, April, May, June, by the end of June. So this is all you're going to get. And they are limiting it. You cannot order, I think, more than 1 or 2 packs. They're just trying to make sure that everybody gets it. This unique peanut, it's really unique. I'm just going to open one so I can show you guys. So this one has 3 seeds. I would really love you to get a pack so we can grow along. I'll share the link in the description box. Along with the peanuts, I got corn, and I got 2 different types of corn. This one is the Thompson's prolific corn, and then this one here is the King Philip corn. The King Philip corn is a historic type of corn. It is supposed to be red. It produces 2 to 4 ears per stalk, and it takes 110 days to maturity. So that's about 3.5 months. I'm gonna plant these seeds again first week of March, hoping for harvest around the middle of June. So this is what we are gonna get, the King Philip corn, red like so. This one is supposed to have 100 seeds. I think it's more. And then next I have Thompson's prolific dent corn. The King Philip corn is a flint corn. Flint corn is not your regular sweet corn in the stores, obviously. Back home in Africa, we grow like the flint or the dent corn and not the sweet corn, and we eat it fresh. If you're looking for corn seeds, check out these people, guys. This other kind, the Thompson's prolific dent corn, is very productive as well. It grows tall, produces 2 8-inch cream-colored ears per stalk, and this one can mature in 90 days. 90 to 110 days, so maybe 3 months to 3.5 months. And this one is white, so this is what you get. It's not as much as the other type. And then I got 1 type of vegetable, and this is ewedu, the Nigerian jute leaf, the specific Nigerian one, the Yoruba shiny green jute leaf that you use to make ewedu soup. This is it. If you're looking for ewedu seeds, order this. All of their seeds are tested for germination, so they will tell you the germination rate and all of that stuff, either on the seed pack or on their website. So the germination of this ewedu seed is not that wonderful. They tested it, it was only 49%, just so you know. Ewedu takes 70 days to mature. It is heat loving. You can start the seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost date and then move them outside, or you can just wait and plant outside directly. So ewedu seeds are tiny seeds. So when nursing these, follow the protocol for nursing tiny seeds, which is don't bury them too deep. Basically, grow them in a container first. Start them in a container. Don't bury too deep. Once it germinates, then you can move them outside or into a bigger container. Like I mentioned, my good people at Truelove Seeds threw in some free seeds for me. They threw in this pea, this type of pea, the pigeon peas. I've never grown peas before, but I might try this one. It just looks very fancy. This is the northern adapted pigeon peas. And then they threw in a different type of basil, a different type of holy basil. This one is Ethiopian basil, which I'm going to absolutely try. Again, tiny seeds, just like the ewedu seeds. These are super tiny seeds. They threw in this heel rice. This one is from South Trinidad. I have never farmed rice before, so I wouldn't know if I can do this in my backyard. But I'm gonna find out more information about the heel rice. When you order your seeds, you're gonna get this little nice pamphlet telling you all about what they do, what the people at Truelove Seeds do. This is just what I ordered, the 4 things that I ordered. So guys, those are the seeds that I got for this year. I sincerely hope you're gonna check out the link. I'm gonna drop the link in the description box. Chances are they're gonna have the seeds that you are looking for, and you will be sure about the quality of your seeds. It's been tested for germination. It will tell you the germination rate. You can go on their website and get a lot of information about growing these vegetables. So go get you some seeds and grow along with me. I will be very interested in comparing notes with you this 2023. I'm going to share with you how I grow these, share with you the progress right here on this channel. Thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if this was valuable to you. I hope I have earned your subscription. Maybe share this video with somebody that is looking for culturally meaningful seeds, even seeds of vegetables that are native to Africa. You can find them right here in the USA. I believe they ship internationally. I believe they do. Until next time, everybody, grow a garden. Bye bye and happy gardening.